Hello, my name is Cheryl Jones. I'm a speaker, an author, a podcast host, and a coach to small businesses and individuals who want to experience greater happiness and success in all areas of their lives. You know, the coronavirus has caused us all to rethink, re-strategize, and recreate either ourselves or our businesses. In that effort to recreate ourselves, it's got a lot of us kind of tangled up in all of our thinking and not really knowing what are the next best steps for us to take. I'm here because I want to offer you the opportunity to attend a workshop that's coming up this Thursday, May 28th, from 10 to 11 a.m. Central. During that workshop, we'll focus on how you can tap into your own intelligent nature to identify what answers are true for you, how to reach your creativity and draw out some new aspect that will help you support yourself or your business in moving forward. In addition, I'll help you recognize any negative thought patterns that may be holding you back and what to do about those, how to clear those up so that they no longer drag you down. So this workshop is all about helping you refocus and align your energy and thoughts so that you can move forward in not only a profitable way, but a successful way. And I hope that you'll join me. Again, it's Thursday, May 28th, 10 to 11 a.m. And if you're interested, please go to my website and check out all the information there is. There's a place to register as well. It's only $49 to attend, and you can bring a coworker, a friend, a colleague for free. So that kind of drops your rate way down, $24.50 per person. So please consider it. The web address is simplythebestresults.com/refocus workshop. That's simplythebestresults.com/refocus workshop. I hope you'll attend. I'm sure it'll be very helpful, and I look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.